Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So, as we kind of head into the week before Thanksgiving, really nice push here for the SPY. The question is now, is this kind of the end of the road for this move? So, what I have in my charts are the Keltner channels, and I'm measuring 2.5 ATRs away from that 21 EMA. Typically, in a normal market environment, that's the good move you're going to get, and at that point, you tend to see things kind of revert back to the 21. So, as we make this nice push here, we're a little bit extended now. Do we continue to pump? Or do we run out of gas and start heading back down to that 21? So one trade I'm definitely looking for right now is a call credit spread on an SPX. Looking to sell out the money calls, probably a little bit further out the money, a little bit above that all-time high. Looking for the market to run out of gas here and start pulling back towards a 21. And in that event, we can collect some call premium. Now, before we might get a pullback, I would like a little bit more of a pump here. Got a couple of long positions I would like to close up. So for the NDX, we got to put credit spread down there at 11,600. It's just about halfway to max profit. We can get a little bit more of a pump here in the Qs. Definitely going to look to take those profits off the table ahead of Thanksgiving week. Another position we took yesterday, guys, a really good looking daily squeeze here in FedEx. Jumped into this with a put credit spread that expires next Friday. This is a really clean setup. Now, if the market does begin to pull back, it could definitely impact FedEx. So if we should get any follow through today, I might be open-minded to taking that money off the table as well. Another position we took yesterday is Roku. This is another clean setup. You got a daily squeeze, you got a 4-hour, a 2-hour, a 1-hour squeeze, and all those squeezes are taking place right here at the 21 EMA. So look at the 21 as a potential launching pad, and when we got all those different time frame squeezes right near the 21, we're basically building up energy on that launching pad, a lot of times getting ready for that next move. So we jumped into a put credit spread yesterday, but the same mindset here. If the market does begin to pull back, it's probably going to impact Roku. So if we get any kind of follow through today, there's nothing wrong with taking the quick profits. So we got Roku, we got FedEx, we got the Iron Condor on Amazon, where we sold the puts down at 2,900 and sold the calls up here at 3,600. It's starting to bring in some good premium. So going to take a look at that today. Might consider taking that off the table. Really, I'd like to get a call credit spread on the index, close all my long positions, and then spend some time with family next week. So we'll keep an eye on Amazon. We will keep an eye on Restoration Hardware. It's still having a tough time firing the squeeze, so we might just cut that one as well. But aside from that, guys, heading into today's session, we've got lower time frame squeezes everywhere. So there really isn't too much setting up right now. Really outside of Roku, FedEx, and a couple of other names that look good for a swing trade entry, but for those shorter term moves, day trades, little overnight kind of trade, all these tech names are setting up in some really good looking 4-hour squeezes right now. So Amazon's got a daily, a 4-hour, a 1-hour, and a 2-hour squeeze. Facebook is giving us a daily, a 4-hour, a 1-hour, a 2-hour, and a 30-minute. And then Apple, you got an hourly, a 4-hour, a 2-hour, a 1-hour, and a 30. So pretty much all these tech names are building up a boatload of energy right now. The question is, does that energy get released to the upside, or does that energy get released to the downside? So that's my game plan here. We got a couple different long positions. We got the Iron Condor on Amazon. If we can get a little bit of a push today, it might be a great opportunity to go ahead and lock those gains. I'm definitely going to be looking at the SPX as we're potentially getting extended here for a nice out-the-money call credit spread, and then we'll see what the market gives us from there. So I wish you all the best of luck today. Focus Trades members, I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. for morning prep and live trading. Let's get to it.